Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's not only important for weight loss, but also for overall health and well-being. And that is, mindful eating. So let's get started with our top 5 facts about mindful eating. 1. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating is a practice of being fully present and aware while you eat. It's all about paying attention to what you eat, how you eat, and when you eat. Mindful eating is not a diet, but a way of life that can lead to a healthier relationship with food. 2. How does mindful eating work? When you eat mindfully, you become more aware of your body's signals of hunger and fullness. This helps you make better food choices and avoid overeating. Mindful eating also helps you savor the flavors and textures of your food, which can lead to a more satisfying eating experience. For example, instead of mindlessly snacking on chips while watching TV, you can choose to sit down at a table, take small bites, and enjoy the taste of each chip. 3. Benefits of mindful eating. Studies have shown that mindful eating can help reduce stress, improve digestion, and even lower blood pressure. It can also be effective for weight loss and weight management. Mindful eating encourages you to eat slowly and mindfully, which can lead to a decrease in calorie intake and an increase in satisfaction. For example, when you eat slowly, you give your brain enough time to register the feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating. 4. Tips for practicing mindful eating. Start by setting aside time for your meals and eliminating distractions, such as phones or TV. Take small bites and chew your food slowly. Focus on the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. And finally, be patient and kind to yourself. Mindful eating is a journey, not a destination. For example, you can start by taking a few deep breaths before eating to center yourself and focus on the present moment. 5. Mindful eating and weight loss. Mindful eating can help you lose weight by decreasing your overall calorie intake and increasing your satisfaction with your meals. It's not a quick fix, but a sustainable lifestyle change that can lead to long-term weight loss and improved health. For example, instead of feeling guilty about eating your favorite dessert, you can practice mindful eating and savor every bite, which can lead to a more satisfying and fulfilling experience. So there you have it, guys. Our top 5 facts about mindful eating and how it can help you lose weight. Remember, mindful eating is not a diet, but a way of life. Give it a try and see how it can positively impact your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.